So since crashing the Jetta, I went and got this thing. It's a 2011 335i stock. Look at this nice interior.
Some of the old songs.
I'm pretty sure Grandpa Joe owned this car. Dylan, unlock the door.
For all time's sake.
Look at this. Clean interior. Spotless. As you guys see, it is automatic. It has 98,000 miles. We did replace the charge pipe because it did break on us on the second day of ownership. It literally shredded in 2 pieces.
Some of the old songs.
But yeah, that's it. But you know how to do it?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, hold this. So it gives you a little traction control off.
But improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. I seem to
Holy shit, dumbass! You're about to hit that fucking curve.
dream a little dreamer.
Alright, try it one more time. Just try not to go towards that curve. Alright, attempt number 2. Dylan trying to do donuts.